I really appreciate this because when they check my hair, everything, Ross has blocked it. Then after they do everything, I can hear better. Everywhere was clean, everywhere is okay.
I'm Dr. Rafu Emmanuel, the in-house doctor at Whiten Lighten, and we just carried out an outreach here at Third Family at Abraham Adesanya. And it's been fulfilling. The beauty of medicine is being able to impact in the society the little way we can. We've been able to put smiles on the faces of the average person here. We had a lot of people hearing better, smiling better, and that's the beauty of medicine. So here at Whiten Lighten, we are giving back to the community.
Hi, my name is Adesanya Abiodun, a dental therapist at Whiten Lighten Tooth and Aesthetic. We are here live at Abraham Adesanya today to put smile on people's face. People have been through pains for years, 2, 3, 4 years, but today we've been able to relieve people from pains. People have been hiding a lot of tooth or teeth problems. Talking of bad oral hygiene, we've been able to clean people's teeth, put back their smile. People are smiling and they are very, very happy. Trust me.
Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Akeola. Today's program was a success. We give God the glory. We saw a lot of patients from dental checks to scaling and polishing to ENT syringing, as ARA syringing, to those that needed medical consultation. We have doctors on ground that saw them, and we are glad that a lot of people were able to benefit from this outreach. I mean, it was a wonderful one. The ENT cases that we saw today, we had a lot of people that have impacted wax and they don't know about. I'm so glad that we are able to syringe their ears and they can hear better now. Thank you very much to Whiten Lighten.
Hi guys, my name is Faith and I'm the road manager for Whiten Lighten. I coordinated and planned the whole outreach at this community in Ajah, and it was a success. It was tedious at first and I didn't know I was going to pull it off, but I did, and I'm excited. The team was awesome, the whole outreach and the community leaders were excited. People partook and overall we had a blast.
We are right here to support Whiten Lighten for their outreach here in Ajah. You know, I would say this program is one of the things I look forward to because of this empowering. But I don't think it needs to do a lot because this is you giving back to society. And this program is so fantastic that people are getting this kind of service for free.
I even appreciate you guys by coming here to give us well treatment. I really appreciate you guys for doing all these things to this community to make this so able.